I'm Annabelle with TopKnotLatina. Thanks for watching. So today I have another product review for you, and it includes a giveaway, so be sure you stay tuned to the end of this video, which won't be long because I don't really like long videos to begin with. So you can find out more information on how you can enter. So this product review is about is of a beauty line that sent me some products for me to test out. I liked them, and I had my mom test them out, and she really liked it. So I went back to them, and then I asked them about, like, hey, well, can we team up for a giveaway? And they, agreed to it, so I'm excited. So the beauty line, skincare line, excuse me, is called CL Art, and here is their box for one of their creams. I'm sorry, you can hear my dog. This is Lefty again. I introduced you to him a few videos back, if you didn't watch it. So he is one of 6 of our dogs, and he is crying for attention, even though he knows I'm working. Hi, Popo. I know. I'm busy though, okay? You say hi, look, Papa. Say hi, yes. Okay, go back, good job. So CL Art, it's a great skincare line, and I tried out their nightwear and daywear, which are cream, obviously. And this is the little container that it comes in. And then here is their eye cream. Trying to do it up close. Hopefully you get a view of that. So let me tell you just a little bit briefly about them. It's a great skincare line. They're based out of Las Vegas. Maybe I need to go to Vegas sometime soon and maybe go visit their offices. Yeah, we'll just go with that. Even though I would love to go see J-Lo. I haven't seen J-Lo. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm missing out. She's like one of my favorite actresses slash entertainers. She's so good. Anyways, I'm getting way off topic. Okay, let me get back. So CL Art is based out of Las Vegas. Their skincare line consists of 4 anti-aging products formulated with this product, I'm gonna butcher the name, but I think it's called argyroline. Yeah, there you go. So that's an active ingredient that offers a naturally sourced alternative to Botox. So if you're not ready to make that commitment, to that financial commitment, in addition to a little painful commitment, I would definitely recommend CL Art. So, here is their nightwear, and it's a white, creamy substance, and it goes on really easy. My skin doesn't feel greasy. My mom said hers didn't either as well. And then here is their daywear, and it has a little bit of a light blush tone to it. Hopefully you can see that. And then their eye cream, which obviously you need just a little bit, a little goes a long way, is a white creamy substance. So with their daywear and nightwear, I just put about a pea's size on my hand, and I rub it in. On my fingers, I rub it in, and then I put it everywhere, and I really like it. My skin feels, really hydrated for sure. I feel like I need it, which is crazy because here in Texas, where I live, it's getting pretty humid, but my skin doesn't feel it doesn't feel oily. So obviously my skin needed hydration. So now that I've told you a little bit about CL Art, I want to give you the opportunity to enter to win, so you can get your hands on one of these products. Obviously, in order to enter this giveaway, you need to subscribe to my channel, please. So be sure you subscribe real quick, and like and comment on this video. Now for extra entries, which obviously is going to increase your chances of winning this, getting your hands on a great gift, click on the video description below, and right when you click on it, at the very top, you'll see that it says enter a giveaway, and there's a link there. That link will take you to my website, and you'll be able to enter really quickly. It'll take you total 1 minute. So what's 60 seconds, of your time? You're on the phone right now, or you're on the computer watching. So just head to the video description below and click on that link and enter to, get your hands on one of these products. And don't be a stranger if you're on Instagram. My IG handle is TopKnotLatina. That's where the name came from. And follow me there. Leave me a message, send me a direct message. I will respond to you. I get a little inundated with direct messages, but I do my best to respond to as many as possible. But I would love for you to get to know you, and I'd love for you to get an opportunity to know me as well. And I give a little peek into my home life, and I introduce you to my dogs and my family. But don't be a stranger. If you're not on Instagram, it's totally fine. I'm on Facebook and Twitter, TopKnotLatina, or just communicate with me here on YouTube. I love to hear from my subscribers, and I'd love to hear more about what you would like to see from me. So I guess that's all, and be sure to enter the giveaway and click on that link below. And if you want to know more about CL art as well, I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching. I guess until next time, bye.